Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Bubbles from Powerpuff Girls. Grab your marker and follow along with me. First up, let's draw an oval for her head. And start right up here. And I'm going to draw an oval as best as I can. As soon as I draw the oval, I'm going to draw the hairline. So I'm going to draw the front here. I'm just going to make a little dot in the middle, on the side and on the other side. Make it about the same height. And then you're just going to make a nice little curve up to this dot. And then make a nice little curve down to this dot. And now we have a reference point. And now we can draw the eyes. And we're going to start up here. We're going to make it nice and round to the bottom, and then roughly about the same height you're going to do the same thing. And there's Bubbles' eyes. And we're going to do the irises and the pupils. So first up the pupil. There we go. And then in the corner I'm going to start here and I'm going to take it to the side. There's an iris. On this side you're going to draw the pupil as well. And then in the corner you're going to start there and you're going to draw the little iris going down. Light reflections. One on top. And a nice round one below. And in this corner, one on top. And a nice round light reflection below. Let's color the pupils in. Great, and right between the eyes we're going to draw a little smile. Now let's do the two ponytails. I'm going to draw a little circle there and another one there, half circle, and then from there we're going to draw the ponytail. So I'm going to make it nice and round at the top and with a little hook up. Let's do it on this side. I'm going to start on this side, so I'm going to make a little hook and I'm going to try to copy the other one. I start on this side because I like to look at my line there and I try to copy it about the same. And then from here at the bottom, make it nice and round to that point. From this side I'm going to start far away and I'm going to try to copy it like on the other side. There we go. And then right behind there there's another little ball. And let's draw a ball here as well. Now we can draw Bubbles' body. We're going to keep it very simple. I'm going to draw two little lines out for references. And then right in the middle, I'm going to draw a little line down. And now I'm just going to make it round. So we're going to take this, make it nice and round, connect it. From here, make it nice and round and connect it there. And there's the body. We're going to draw the shoes. You're going to draw a straight line through. And then you're just going to draw two little short lines. Make it round at the bottom. Make it round at the bottom. And there we got some shoes. So let's color her shoes in. And now for the shirt. We're going to draw a nice little line down. And then we're going to draw a stripe on the shirt. There's a little stripe. And you can color the stripe in as well. Let's color it in black. And now we're going to draw two little arms. From here, I'm going to make it nice and round. Take it to the top. And now that I draw that one, I can look at this one and I can sort of reference it. Try to draw it the same. And there we go. And there's Bubbles. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors. And I'm sure Bubbles will look absolutely beautiful. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.